Hello everyone, and we are going forward with the step 11, and it is a pages and panels. This will be used to just structure our application. This will be usually seen in our UI. So we use two controls for this, and ASAP.m library, and if you need, you can use Blink. So you'll also learn about the control aggregation because I'll show you why. And you can see the output structure change in this application, right? So we'll see in our own live code. I think that's done for you for the basic explanation. We'll see effectively in our application over here. Okay, so we'll get into, as I said, it will be seen in the view, right? We'll go into the view, and instead of adding some sort of inputs, uh, we have actually we aggregated properly. Within the input, we have aggregated value, description, everything. So we are going to add some app control inside, and we'll have pages control, and you can see where we are going to add the pages control inside the application. Okay, so you have your content. Inside that, you'll have some panels, the few properties. Then inside that, your input will be provided. Okay, we'll just start with adding some sort of namespace over that. Okay, so where we need to mention this within the definition, put display log, right? And we're going to mention that as true. Okay. And within that, we're going to, after button, we are going to add a app ID. The app ID will be, okay, the app, and within that, pages will be added over here. Okay, this is how we'll add pages and panel over here. And within the page, you're going to put page, a title, just go. Let's see, see title, and within the title, I think we need to fetch from our I18 file, right? Title will be fetched from I18, and home page title, and followed by that photos in the brace. Yes, controllers and paste it within this. Okay. Yes, we are done with this, and from the content. So I'm going to go to the and if you need to add any content, you can add over here. And before that, some naming convention is important over here. So you could see we have named a page with a small, so change that into capital over here. We need to close this. So page is like you could see within the app we have pages, and within the pages you have page, right? And we just close the content. Okay. And still showing some sort of error. The page is so that, and within the page, so closed it, right? Okay. Okay, we're done. And within the content, you're going to give panel. Okay, give caps. Just give panel. Okay. So your controls, your document, it will be within the panel documentation, and within the panel, you're going to add some header text. Okay. Okay, within the braces, we're going to fetch our details from I18N. Okay, I18N and panel. Just we'll add that in the following panel slide. Fine for now. So we now just need to close off our panel. We have done it. Yep, yes, panel is done. And panel is within our content, all right? So underneath of our panel, what we are going to add is, okay, after the panel, we are going to add some content over there. So within the panel, okay, then add here, okay, before closing the panel. Just give content and close the content. Okay, so we can take our complete input, the controllers, and you can place that within our content. Okay. Okay, fine. Just we will format the document. Okay, check the output first. I think you could see some homepage title over here, and the button is sitting on the top. It's not the panel, is the button is because we haven't give the button within the app, right? It is out of the app. So what we are going to do is we will take our button over here and we'll place this before our input. Fine. Check in our output. Yes, there you go. We got the input, and the hello panel title, everything. So this is fine for now. And if we need something in I18, you can add over here. So we need to add some homepage title, right? So yes, we'll copy over our this homepage title from our I18 file. And the hello panel homepage title is UI5 walkthrough. And also hello panel title is hello panel title is something for hello UI5. Okay, let's check the output now. What you're getting. That is the UI5 walkthrough and hello UI5 within that we got. I think we are done with the pages and panel. Thank you.